Okay, here's the greedy mistake that too many of my traders in my Discord make, and so do I from time to time, and it's a habit we have to get away from. Here it is. Once your trade goes green, meaning it's profitable, stop being greedy. Set a trailing stop or a stop loss of at least break even. So if your trade goes up immediately, like they almost always do, and within the first hour we're up 0.5% or even 1%, you've got to put in a stop loss at least at break even. And here's what happens. Either the trade keeps going up and we make lots more money, or the trade goes back down and you could perhaps get stopped out, not winning and not losing. Because as soon as that trade goes profitable by more than 0.5% or maybe 1% depending on your standards, you can protect yourself. And after all, isn't insurance good? Too many of us are greedy and we let our trades go red after they go green because we just think every trade should go to the moon. Some of them do, but some of them don't. And I'd much rather stop out at break even, not losing money, or make a tiny profit with a trailing stop because, well, every week, some of our trades, they do go to the moon. We pick trades almost every day that just fly right out of the chute. And the name of the game is preserving our capital so that we're always there for those great trades. And if you want to be a good trader, sometimes that means accepting the tiny trades where you break even or you make just a little bit of money. After all, that's much better, isn't it, than losing a lot of money? So let's play the long game. Let's stop worrying about every day and start thinking about every week, every month, your year. And if you protect every trade once it goes green, you're gonna find you very rarely have a bad day. Love you.